this is another video. We over here have some old graphics card, really old, like you have serial number over here. So basically today's graphics card, they have VRAM in gigabytes, so they measure in gigabytes. I think this one is in megabytes or older. So I will show you how to put inside some desktop office computer, how to put graphics card. Although I mean for the office you don't need it actually, but this is just for some demo purposes. So over here you just put this off. You get this one's just a second. So this one's over here. You get this out. I got this, and then you just put this. Just a second. Just put this one. I mean, it's hard when I hold another hand. Hold. You just put this on, clap this on, and now you have yourself a graphics card. This is how it looks like. This is from the inside. When you wanna put it out, you just press this little button over here. It's harder than it looks, and there's your graphics card out. That's all for today, guys. See you maybe in another video. So I think my videos should maybe cover some basic hardware components. It should cover software, because myself, I'm a software engineer, so I'll try to maybe explain databases in future videos. Maybe I'll try to explain some web development, etc. But because I'm having a job, so I'll try to do that as soon as possible. But let's say maybe through 1 week or two, these 2 videos on basic hardware components. One video I will cover maybe one day, and another I will cover 5 days later. Maybe I will upload it. So that's all for today, guys, and see you in another video.